Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a Cash App account from your PC. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically you need to know that Cash App has done some major updates and basically you won't be able to create your account from the Cash App website anymore. So basically the only thing that you will be able to do is just to go to your Cash App and log in into your account. So basically here after going to the cashapp.app, which is the official website of the Cash App application, and from here we will find only to control your cash, and from here you can find all your information or all the operation that you can do within your account. And basically you will be able only to log in, and from here you can add any number and then click continue, or you can use any valid email address and then you can click on continue, and after that add password, etc., and you will be able to log in. And basically to create an account you won't be able to fill in the registration form anymore. So basically you will be needing to go from your website, and then you will need to uh, create your account from your phone. So you need just to scan this QR code with your phone. So you just open up your phone camera, you scan the QR code, and basically it will take you to where you can be able to start registration from your phone. And basically you will need just to download the application. And after that, you will need just to get your account, and then you will be able to start logging in from here. And by logging in, you will be able to go and control your cash. That means you can use all the functional features of your app, from spending bitcoins, sending funds, linking your banks, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.